Friends, running kimono here. So part of what I do here, I don't only put out the matchups, but I'm always looking for patterns in the ad, the Walgreens ad, because I've been doing this for, I don't know, 5+ years. I've been doing this a really long time here on YouTube, and I know what the pricing looks like, and I know with the new month what IVC should be, and just how the mechanics work. And a lot of you probably don't follow this, but I certainly do, and I want to put this bug in your ear. I suspected this a while back that they would be getting rid of the $1.25 IVC. And I have the sneakiest suspicion starting the new month of June, which is going to be starting on Sunday the 29th. I think it's going to be over. So we'll just talk about this very basic, and then we're going to get into the details of what you should do. And if I'm wrong, you're still going to have some paper in your stockpile. And if I'm right, you'll have it because something's a little bit off with this. So these products by Scott, which include the paper towel and the toilet paper, they're usually every other month on a promotion of buy one, get one 50% off, buy one, get one 50% off, or buy one at $5, use $1.25 IVC and pay $3.75. So it's both for the toilet paper and paper towel. They took the Kleenex out, I believe, a couple months back. So they've been slowly little changes here and there. But this is a change that I've noticed because I know at other stores, they've taken away instant savings. They've done this, they've done that, specifically with this product because I think the parent company of this product, Kimberly-Clark, they must be taking a bath having it at $5 or so cheap with an IVC or instant savings. The IVC coupon, it's found in that book at the store of coupons, and it's a Walgreens coupon. So this is $1.25 off, and you can use this throughout the month. The digital counterpart for this is a one and done, but this one you can use more than once. And I am not seeing this for the month of June in the big book of savings. Now, if you look here, see how I typed in Scott and it says $1.25 off with my Walgreens. So you know the one on the left is in fact an IVC. The other two are manufacturers. And I've probably said this in every single video. I'm like, I keep forgetting to grab my paper. But it's like, yes, I still haven't picked it up. So I have 2 days to make this happen. Now, all the IVCs are in your digital coupons folder of your Walgreens account. And products such as the Vanity Fair napkins, there was an IVC the month previous, so that's on the left. But see how it says sneak peek, dollar off with my Walgreens? So they're going to have the exact same IVC for those Vanity Fair napkins. So it would be there if it was going to be there, but I don't see it. And typically for every month, the Scott toilet paper or paper towel, it's always a deal of the week, so they'll put it at the front of the flyer saying, $5 off with $1.25, so it makes it $3.75. But I'm not seeing it, and I'm also not seeing the promotion of buy one, get one 50% off when you buy two. Now, I might be completely wrong, but looking at other stores and patterns, how they've pulled this and then brought it back, pulled it, brought it back, such as what they did at the Dollar General. If you have extra Walgreens cash or store register rewards to throw in, get yourself to the pharmacy and grab an extra couple, especially if you're particular with their toilet paper or paper towel. I have a bunch of pets, so we go through a ton of paper towel. So this is one thing that we do go through quite a bit. So I'm going to even try and get out there because this is crazy. Grabbing 3 paper products for $15, scanning that IVC, that's a $3.75 off, pay $11.25. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, throw that in and pay $1.25. Or alternatively, you have a register reward store register reward, just something to throw in there, just to make it a lot less out of pocket so you're not feeling it in the wallet. This was always like one of those items at Walgreens with Walgreens cash register rewards that we could get on the cheap and that I would stockpile myself. And then to see the loss of this, well, this is an opportunity, guys, that if you want to head over to the Dollar General, every month there's always a sale on this. So if you're a staunch Walgreens shopper, this might be your wake-up call that you're gonna have to you're gonna have to start shopping over at the Dollar General to get cheap paper, because Walgreens was always our place for cheap paper. And are they changing this, yes or no? Definitively, we will know this on Sunday morning. As an extreme couponer, we stock up when things are at a rock bottom price. So if you're down to your last thing of toilet paper or paper towel, go and get a couple. And if I'm wrong, you'll still have it for your stockpile. It's just a smart thing to do. The only paper deal that I really see is this one, which is $4.99, and there is no drop down menu saying like here are the coupons with it. It just says $4.99. And typically when the more expensive Viva, this is that really expensive stuff, so it's $4.99 on the nose. I would use a $4 store coupon and pay 99 cents because that is rich pricing. But yep, this is next week's deal, and this is the deal of the week for paper. Our little friend at $5 with the $1.25 IVC, not listed. I also got this morning, so definitely loaded. It's found at the top of your digital coupons folder, $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. As you can see, it's valid from the 29th to June the 4th, so it's that week. So definitely load it. And guys, definitively we'll know the changes on Sunday morning, and I'll even get the cashier to scan too to see if it's bringing up BOGO 50% off too. I'll let you guys know, but this is the pattern that I'm seeing in advance. If you might have some Walgreens cash and you need some paper, make it happen before Sunday morning. So you have right between now and Saturday to make the deal happen with the IVC. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.